Iqiniso lithi South African celebrities will never ever fight for inkululeko yalezwe because balala nawo ama-Nigeria. So how do we expect them ukuthi bathathe ipart in this whole situation? How do we expect ukuthi bathathe ipart kule machine match meanwhile balala nawo lawo ma-Nigeria? Like, yabo, understand. So kune machine match eyenzakalayo here in South Africa, ne? Yeah. And ngosiyami uNkulunkulu wathatha umuntu orong, wathatha aka umuntu who care about South Africans. Washiyela lo wagcina ukhipha ama-hits asasenephondo ngemumva, who does not care about South Africans but his pockets. Yicava. So now kune machine match that is taking place in South Africa, and angaboni even one celebrity, a promoter leyo campaign leyo ye machine match la siliswa khona abantu bangaphandle ukuthi mabahambe South Africa laba a promoter I machine match. Even one celebrity angiyibonanga mina, guys. Kodwa they are all out here mangabe mele sibavotele thina, which means bayasiyuza thina. Makumele sibavotele siyabavotela, guys, kodwa thina when we need them they are not there. What's so hard about posting promoting i-machine match? Even one post nje i-one, and akusukuthi abaziboni lezi zinto lezo the-machine match laphaya ku-internet. Akusukuthi abayiboni on social media platforms. They are just quiet because they sleep with Nigerians, they sleep with Zimbabweans to get their way up there. They sleep with them to afford their lifestyles. And also angeke uzungitshela ukuthi wena ungancenga iZimbabwe elihiye illegally. Ngeke uzungitshela ukuthi ungancenga iNigeria futhi hiye illegally ube uphile kahle ekhanda. Because a campaign is not about chasing bonke labantu laba, even those who are here legally. A campaign eyokuthi sikhipha laba abala ngokungemthetho. But you guys are so quiet. You guys ngathi nifile, guys, niyangisa niyangicika ninyi celebrate sifika ngicika konke nje ukuthi nje lapha ku social media famous zonke zangicika mbe mangasebenzisa platform yenu ukuthi ni post. We're gonna go far as a country. Imagine match is gonna be in yonke South Africa, kuyo yonke South Africa, and we're gonna win this battle because kunzima manje umuntu usaba nokuhamba egoli because abosibari basibamba inkunzi. Mawugaxa isikhwama mawufika endlini uthi ayisana into engemuva so uhamba ugaxa amabhande wodwa because abosibali bayidabulile izinto zethu. And you guys, I tell you what, yabona ama-celebrity ase-South Africa ayangicika. Ayikho into engibhora njengama-celebrity ase-South Africa right now. Ayangicika ama-celebrity ase-South ayangidina, ayangibhora. And I'm talking about celebrities. Yeah. Because now, guys, akusukuthi anazi ukuthi there's a match in South Africa. Akusukuthi, guys, aniboni ukuthi there was a match in Durban on Monday. You guys niyabona, akusukuthi beningaboni even on social media platforms si promote lento leyo yabo match. Akusukuthi, guys, beningaboni. Shuthi nini into enilwa nayo ukuthi now ama-Nigerians sifuna hambe, and then you guys are sleeping with the Nigerians. You guys nilala nabo labantu bangaphandle. That's why ningafuni ukuthatha to take part. That's why you don't want to take part in the matching match. Understand, guys, like make me understand what's so difficult in just taking a phone yako promoting a matching match. Yeah, because you have a large number of followers, South Africa could be a better place. Mangabe abantu abaningi take part. Yes, beyenzakala eThekwini le matching match, return the very same energy by just posting one post or two posts. Done. Abantu bayabona ukuthi okay, this and this is gonna happen in South Africa, but you guys are so quiet. You guys nithulile aninandaba. You don't care. You don't care about South Africa, and that's for sure. You guys don't give a fuck about South Africa, and nobody can tell me otherwise. The only thing in Yazio is supposed. That's why I'm those people. But again, the only thing we know in South Africa is alcohol, drugs, and stuff like that. Because Nina in the Yazio is supposed nightlife. That's the only thing you know. Ungasho nje ungitshele ngaphakathi wena into wena as a celebrity oyenzile ukuthi ufafaze izinto ezinhle in South Africa. Because lento le matching match is a very good thing. It's going to benefit the whole of South Africa. We are doing it for the younger generation. We are doing it for the upcoming generation. We are doing it for abantwana bangakazalwa. ukuthi bangazalelwa ezweni eSouth Africa elaliphethwe abantu bakubo jikijiki seliphethwe yilabantu bangaphandle. Why are you guys doing this to us? Yini enzima? Yazi esinye isiduda singengise kanjani there on Facebook. Sithi hey, we cannot post about such because we get booked in those countries. Wait, I've never seen him performing in Nigeria. I've never seen him performing in Zimbabwe. I've never seen him performing in Algeria. I've never seen him performing in Congo. I've never seen him performing in Malawi, all those countries. You stop. So I don't understand the whole promoting match or what, because it seems as if you guys, the only thing you care about is money. You guys want to do something only when it benefits you all. Why are you guys doing this to us? Why are you guys doing this? Because yazi ngasho ngintshele kazi indlela aningiyayisa ngayo niyangicika ningemelana, because now sina sanvotela. We do. Even now kuzoba nama-awards, we voted. I voted. Angikhulumi ngento engingayenzi. Kodwa nina guys nihlula nje ukuthi nithathe leyo 3 seconds yenu nipromote i-match izoyenzakala eSouth Africa, because right now yenzakala eThekwini kuphela, and you guys ninaso isikhiyo sokuvulela ukuthi yenzakale even in Johannesburg. I for myself cannot do it. Ngazama, because I do not have a large number of followers on social media. Ngingazama. Kodwa guys nina ningayenza lento le yenzeke. Kodwa guys nina you just nina inhliziyo ezimbi, because mina ngazi yazi mina ngiyacala ukubona abantu abanjena guys. Siyansiza, you get to the top. When you're at the top, you don't want to return the same energy, and it's not even the same energy, because yours is bigger, mine is just, ours is just little. Thina kwethu kuncane guys, kuncane, just promoting a match so we can have a safe South Africa. Sizokhona ukuhamba singafihlela abosibari amabheki egoli sama ngikonkoshele, ngihamba ngikonkoshele mina egoli guys, ngoba ngisaba ukuthi abosibari bethu bazothatha into zami. Kunama-case enzakala eSouth Africa every single day. You guys yezwe lakho ngenxa yokuthi usaba. We are posting about illegal immigrants. We are fighting against illegal immigrants. Nothing less. Nothing more. Nothing more. So why are you guys doing this?
Sanibonani bafowethu, okwakhona njani yaphila? Mina ngigrand bafowethu, ngigrand. In less than 24 hours khulume izolo ukuthi abantu be-March, abantu bedudula, abantu be-MK, bogizwe, abantu abajwayele ukushaya abafazi babo ezindlini. Athini benithini? After this video ngicela ungene ku TikTok yami ubone ivideo engizoyiposta after le. Immediately ngicela ukuposta le video. Uma uceda ukuyibona ngicela ubheke ivideo engizobe ngiyipostile. Indoda enjani ethola umfazi womuntu eshop abhiza asebenze imshaya ngempama? Indoda enjani? Uzibiza ngendoda? Sisi wena oshade nalesiphukuphuku esinje, uzitshela ukuthi unendoda usho into enje? That is why bengisho izolo ukuthi nina nikhavela lo muntu ushaye lo sisi, asithi wena ujola naye or umfazi wakhe angakakushayi. After ukushaya lo sisi awucabanga ukuthi kukhona la azobona khona ukuthi ukushaya abafazi kumnandi sekashaya nawe? Awucabangi? Lento yenu benithi manje sicosha ama-foreigner manje sengene nakubo Woolworths. Ngicela after namhlanje ngake-29 nge-29 zakaJulayi ngicela niyenze ama-screenshot ze-currency yase-South Africa, ningibonise i-value yerandi ukuthi ime kuphi. Nizobe niblame abani? General Mkhwanazi, sicela ungenelele. Umama lo engizofaka i-screenshot sakhe la, layout engizofaka i-screenshot sayo, nginevideo ephelele eprovayo ukuthi uGuy ushaya usisi, umama we-MK naye utshontshe izinto zabantu lapha esaluni. Mababoshwe labantu, and noma bangamasha labantu mababoshwe. Angekho umuntu ophezu komthetho. benginitshela ukuthi nalento i-MK izoba ne-direction kanjani. Hey, nizosikhulumisa izinto bafowethu. Guys, nina lento yenu kahle kahle aniyiplananga. Jesinta. Ngikubiza kwesingaki Jesinta? Phakela abathakathi ngizwe. Lento phela seniphunyukele ezandleni. If umuntu uyakwazi ukungena emoshara aphuma nebhokisi lomngcwabo, angene eshop aguge ifriji ye-Coca-Cola. I-Coca-Cola enganisuwa nina noyi-3. Nganisuwa. Le moshara lama casket awatshontshiwe. Usisi lo angayisuwa i-MK, angayisuwa isilento i-March and March because bagcoke neregalia yabo MK nabo March and March. Ni promoter ini guys? Nina ni support nonsense. Nina ni support udoti. Imagine usupporta umuntu ubhuti wakho nama baboshwa labantu nizobahambisela ukudla emajele, ama-abuser. If ubhuti wakho uyamthanda, usisi wakho uyamthanda ukuthi ahamba ashaya abantu, why ningabathengela ama-punching bag labantu? Okanye into zama-punching bag, into zesilungu azikafiki lapho kini kwaNongoma, azikafiki guys. Hey, if labantu shosho ama-patriot laba, why bangayobheka phela labantu abakhalayo lapha eMzumbe? Angeke baye lapha eMzumbe because labantu abamayinayo lapha eMzumbe bayababhadala. Angeke baye eMzumbe, and eMzumbe hey, nina nifuna ukuzikhulumisa indaba esingafuna ukuzikhuluma thina. Nina nifuna ukuzikhulumisa indaba esingafuni ukuzikhuluma and ni-act ungathi nina niyazi and anazi fokolo man. Aviva Zimbabwe kunento engiyibone ngizwe ngamahemihemi ngayingenela ku-Google. iZimbabwe izovuka bafethu. Yabona from the time iZimbabwe ithatha i-decision yokuthi ama-minerals waseZimbabwe awaphumi njengemhlabathi. It's a job creation. iZimbabwe izovuka. iZimbabwe ilwela yonke into yaseZimbabwe. Yabantu baseZimbabwe. Izimo izovuka. Nithanda ningathandi. iZimbabwe